I recently created a walkthrough video for setting up Roon Music Server on a Ugree NAS. A viewer pointed out that Plex has its own music client called Plexamp that also supports lossless audio playback. If you're interested in building your own personal high-quality music server and you already have a Plex account, it's very straightforward to set up Plexamp. For newcomers who aren't familiar with the benefits of hosting your own music libraries versus streaming music, I recommend checking out my Roon video for more information. Also, that video explains how you can build your own high-quality music library by buying lossless music from online stores. For this video, I'll just walk through the steps for setting up your own music server using Plex and connecting the Plexamp client for playback. However, I also recommend watching my video on setting up your Plex media server first, as it has important steps before you can set up Plexamp using this video. The first step is to create your music library on your Ugree NAS using your Plex folder. Then you'll need to upload your music to that folder. The process is as simple as navigating to your Plex folder on your NAS in UGOS and creating a new folder called Music that will sit alongside your other Plex folders. However, you do need to create a very specific folder structure for your music library. Within the music folder, you'll need to create individual folders by artist. Then within that folder, you'll need to create individual folders by album with the year in parentheses. Then you'll need to label each track with the track number in the following format. Once you've uploaded your tracks to the correct folders, you'll need to instruct the Plex container on your NAS where to find the folder. This is the necessary step so that the Plexamp client can see your library on your computer and the mobile app. Open Docker on your NAS using UGOS and then click on Container in the left-hand navigation. Navigate to your Plex container, click on the three dots and then Edit. Scroll down to the volume section and then click Edit in the top right-hand corner of the window. Now click Add and then the folder icon and navigate to your music folder within your Plex folder. Select the folder and then click Confirm. In the next dialog, write /music and choose Read-Write Access. Next, click Save and then Confirm. Your new music library will now be available for discovery using the server software on your computer. At this stage, it's worth noting you can simply use the web interface to play your music library. There's no requirement for using the Plexamp client on your computer. However, personally, I do love the aesthetic. You will need the Plexamp app on your mobile device, however, as the Plex client doesn't support music playback on mobile devices. The next step is to use Plex server software on your computer to expose your library to Plexamp. On your computer, open the Plex server software either by navigating to your NAS IP and the Plex port number in a browser window, or you can use the desktop application. Click on the wrench icon to access the Plex server settings. Navigate to the Manage section and click on Libraries. Now you'll need to add your music library to your Plex media server by clicking Add Library, choosing music as the library type and then giving it a name. I recommend leaving it as the default name, Music. Next, on the left-hand side, click on Add Folders. Click on Browse for Media folder and choose your newly created music folder and then click Add. Now click on Add Library, and then you're done. The final step is to download the Plexamp client on any device you wish to access and play back your music. On PC, navigate to plex.tv/Plexamp in a browser window. Click on the Download button. Once finished, launch the Plexamp installer from the folder where you downloaded it. On first use, you'll be asked to log in with your Plex credentials that you would have created as part of your original Plex setup. The client will automatically scan your network to find your music library, and you can now access and play back your library. On mobile, you can find the official Plexamp app in the store. Just like the PC client, you'll be asked to log in with your Plex credentials and you're done. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.